Hey, Mallory. Just want to share a few things about you. I'm so thankful for you. I still remember when Mr. Corby called me during the summer before you came your junior year, and he said, hey, just gave a tour to the Edgar family. He goes, I don't know what kind of basketball player Mallory Edgar is, but I know that Mallory will make your team and our school a better place. And he was absolutely right. He said he could figure that out within an hour of just a tour, and it didn't take long for me to agree with him as well. You have had an amazing impact in just a couple of years, and I'm so thankful for you and just the impact that you've had on our team. You, day in, day out, you have an incredible attitude, a positive attitude, and you love people passionately, and I thank you for that. One of the things that that stood out to me this year was just your willingness to love everybody. You came in, I think, 5 or 6 times in the morning before school, early mornings, and the thing that impressed me the most was that you brought someone with you every time. And it was different. So you're bringing 5 or 6 different girls. You're inviting them in. Hey, do you want to shoot with me? And it wasn't about you. It was one of those things that you wanted to get better, but you also cared that it was important that you brought other people along to understand that commitment, to work on your game, to get better. And I'm so thankful for it. I hope that those traits and the characteristics of helping, inviting some of those freshman girls in and sophomore girls in just to come and shoot with you will be something that will last, that they will remember that, and that they will continue to lead and follow in your example of not just being by themselves and not just caring about their grade, but caring about everybody. And when I asked you as a seniors to love everybody all the way down to the freshmen, you didn't leave it just as lip service. You did that. You were willing to be anyone's partner, do anything for them, and I thank you for that. One of the things that I also am so thankful for is that just the joy that you bring. I know several people mentioned the memory of just bus trips with you, and you would you'd have your microphone, a Gatorade bottle or something, and you'd pass it back and forth, asking interview questions. Bus trips are sometimes the memories that will last forever. People remember the laughter and the joy, and you got to learn so much about so many people. And so I thank you for making that a commitment and doing those things. I learned more about you. The coaches learned more about you, and we learned so much more about the girls that were around you as well, just because you were willing to engage in that and not just put headphones in and just ride. You cared about passionately getting to know people and loving them well. And so thank you so much for that. You did that extremely well. One of the other things that I will miss is just in class and in the hallways, that positive attitude. I thank you for just your willingness to come in and talk to me. There's a lot of people that are scared or timid just to share their thoughts or what's on their heart and what's on their mind. And I really, really appreciate that that quality of you being able to communicate well, the joys that you have, the struggles that you have, asking for help, looking for ways to improve. There's not many people do that, and that's one of those things that stood out to me, that you were willing to come in and say things and do things and lead and ask questions because you cared. You wanted your last year to be great, and you were willing to engage and do anything possible to make that a success. Mallory, I love your humor. I'm excited for what you have in store for you next. In my mind, I'm thinking of your senior, the undisclosed location that you don't even know yet, just how you bring humor to that and joy in that. Mallory, you will be missed, but we do know that your character that you've revealed and showed these last couple of years, we know that you're going to be successful wherever you go. We are thankful for you, and we will miss you, and we love you. Thanks, Mallory.